All right, so there's multiples. It looks like there's two of them flying together. So there's two pilots having some fun. Yeah, it's neat. It's definitely a more, with my eyes where I can see this a little sharper, definitely a more organized array of lighting on there. It's vertical. Almost like a flying Christmas tree. But I definitely am seeing some, could be nav flashes. I'm surprised the locals haven't started shooting at them yet. Yep, there's one, and then there's the other one. So we've got two. Drones over the Carolinas. Oh, now I hear an actual airplane. So that's a propeller plane. He's probably going, who the hell is in my airspace? Yeah, I checked flight radar. None of these guys, except for the plane above me, are on it. So these two guys don't belong. This guy's on flight radar. These two guys aren't.